Last time we looked at how to add sites to your blacklist by using good old-fashioned block here, but if you're trying to block categories of websites, then it can be pretty time-consuming and maybe not even all that effective to try and track every site down and block them one by one. Instead, we could use a smart blocking method known as flee, which works very similar to block. I mean, it blocks the page either way, but you can see that changing the action to flee, we get a bit of a different layout here where it's asking for a word or a phrase rather than a site. And so we can use this to our advantage. Flee will take words, and if it finds them on the page, it will try to intelligently block sites based on that. So if we target the word or phrase play chess and add that rule, well, you can see that it's already blocked chess.com, and we can test this further by going to another chess website like Lichess, and that's also blocked because it's another website that you can play chess on. And then we can test this further still by going to a website where you don't play chess, but you read chess news, and this one passes the test. Plucky doesn't block this one because it doesn't find any indication that at least it didn't find the words play chess on it. So sometimes you run into false positive using flee, but most of the time it can be quite effective and certainly more powerful for blocking categories of websites in one fell swoop. But if you find that flee might be not the right thing for your use case and it's finding too many false positives, or it's too extreme to block the entire website and you just want it to block image and video, then we'll take a look at that next. So stay tuned for that video. Thanks for watching and happy plucking.